Hello friends, welcome to the second video of 3-Minute Excel. In this video, we will be seeing how to use a conditional formatting for any range or any numbers. So this is our conditional formatting tab, and in conditional formatting, we can either highlight the cells or based on these particular rules, or we can say categorize them like sort them top to bottom, or we can give some data bars like when we have number of data, so we can decide the data bar, and we can select any color scheme like between 10 to 15 what should be the range, between 15 to 20 what should be the range, right? Wise, or you can custom new rule also. So let's see the basic rules like highlight the cell rules for less than, equal to, or greater than. I have created one data for ABCD numbers in which we have some numbers. So I selected that particular data and we go to highlight cell rules and then equal to. Now I will type down here A. So it will be highlighted by light red fill color. So I can change that light red fill color with any other custom format also. So we can do that. We can make it yellow also. So this will be done. Okay. Also in the same range, we can reapply second rule. As these are alphabets, we cannot be use greater than or less than as numbers. So here we can say text that contain, like you need to search few numbers. So for that search engine, if you have, let's say, search B, so that will be highlighted by the red color. Now suppose this is V word, so I change it to ABS, let's say. So it is containing B, so see the rule got it detected and it is highlighted as red one. Similarly, we can highlight these rules also. So we can use greater than symbol here. So we can use greater than for, let's say, about 20. So all about 20, greater than 20 will be filled by this color. Likewise, also we can use the less than rule for, let's say, less than 12 with some yellow with yellow text, won't work. Green with dark green text. Wait, I have not selected the range. So it selected green. Okay, so in this way you can use conditional formatting. Also you can use in between numbers also, where you can have these two things, or you can use color schemes. So let's see, if I select all these numbers and we need to use color scheme, so it will automatically select the colors between one range. Okay, so thank you for watching video. I hope you will be able to perform the conditional formatting.